Hello everybody, you know what? I've recorded this video one time and after that I've checked my stream deck and I saw there is no record button here, so I did not record my video. Anyway, we are going to do it again and record it again. Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a custom scroll bar for your website. For example, if you see our website, which is ertano.com, you can see when you hover our scroll bar, its color is changing, and it's not like a normal scroll bar, it's customized. And in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a custom scroll bar for your website. First of all, if you are using Ahura WordPress theme, which is the best WordPress theme ever, you can change your scroll bar settings. You can change its thickness, its background, its thumb color, and also its hover color. So if you are using Ahura WordPress theme, which is designed and developed by our theme, you don't need to add any custom codes to your website to make your customized scroll bar. You can just go to the WordPress, to the Ahura WordPress theme settings, and then you can change your scroll bar. Or if you are not using Ahura WordPress theme and you are using another theme, I'm gonna tell you in this video how to customize your scroll bar. But if you are using Ahura, just check the documents and then you can change your scroll bar. Yeah, that's it. So first of all, we have to go to our website. I'm going to my website, which is ertano.learn, and then I want to make this scroll bar, this little scroll bar, customized. I want to change its color and its background. So I'm going to my WordPress dashboard, and then in appearance customize there is a additional CSS section. If you don't have customized section in your WordPress settings, in your WordPress admin panel, you are using a very normal WordPress theme. So you have to install a WordPress plugin for it. For example, you have to go to wordpress.org, and in the extend plugins you can search for custom CSS, and you can install any plugin to add a custom CSS to your website. So it doesn't matter in your customized section or in your custom CSS plugin settings, you can add some CSS codes. So what is a code? What is CSS code that I have to use to customize my scroll bar? If you are viewing this video on YouTube, there is a link in description that you can go to article of this tutorial on our website Ertano, and you can find the CSS code on the video on our website. And if you are watching this video on our website, so the code is below this video and you can copy it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna copy this code from video description and then I'm pasting it here. So that's the code, but I'm gonna tell you what is each line and how you can customize your website's scroll bar. First of all, let's be sure about our new scroll bar. So I'm gonna publish it, and then I'm going to my website ertano.learn, and here, yeah, you can see your new scroll bar. If I go to another page which is longer than my first page, so I can see my scroll bar here. In customized, you have many options, not too many options, I will tell you. The first one is width. You can change your thickness, your scroll bar thickness, not your thickness. So you can change its width to 10 pixel. I'm gonna go to publish it, and then if I refresh my web page, I can see a thicker scroll bar. Thicker is better? No. So it's better to be, for example, 7 pixels. And then, yeah, it's better. Normal is good. In height section, you can remove it because there is no height for our scroll bar. In a scroll bar track, in background section, you can change your scroll bar background. For example, I'm gonna make it red. It's very, very bad, yeah? So I have to make it, for example, something like my website's background color to be a synchronized palette of colors. So I'm gonna use hash F5, F5, F5. It's something like my background color. So now it's better. Let's make the width thicker. Yeah, 10 pixels. Okay. After that, in a scroll bar thumb, I can change my scroll bar thumb. So I want to change its color. I can, for example, write red here, and I can see a red scroll bar, but it's not good. So it's better to go to coolers.co website, which is a free website that you can copy a lot of colors. There is more than 10 million palettes on this website. You can try them all. No, you cannot try them all because it's too many colors here. So I'm gonna copy one of these colors, and in the customize, I have to write hash and then color code. So now my website scroll bar color is very, very, very gentle. And then in border radius, I can make it 0, which is a rectangle thumb. I don't like it. It's better to make it, for example, 20 pixels. So yeah, it's better. A round scroll is better. The next one is a scroll bar thumb hover, which means what's the color of my scroll bar, or what's the style of my scroll bar thumb when I hover it with my mouse. So if I change its color, for example, to an orange color and publish it, I can see if I hover my scroll bar, its color will be orange. You can change it based on your website theme color. My website don't have any color, so I'm using all colors on this. And this is a test website. You have to make a color palette with your website, and you can use this website to make a color palette for your website. It will be very, very nice. Yeah, that's it. And for a scroll bar corner, we don't need it. You can just remove it. I will remove it on the code on our website, and I will copy this. I think something like 10 lines or 12 lines of codes on my website, and you can copy and paste it on your customized CSS section on your website, and then you can see your beautiful thick scroll bar. Let's make it 7. Yeah, that's better. So that's it. You can customize your website scroll bar like that. Also, you can put more CSS codes here, but you know, there is nothing. It's just a scroll bar. You can change its color, its background. You cannot do anything outside of this scroll bar range. So you cannot make a border radius or a shadow for your scroll bar. No, nothing. Just you can change its color, its background, its border radius, maybe a border for your thumb, and that's all. It's nothing else. So let's try for border for our thumb. For example, border 2 pixel solid white. Yeah, we can make it, but we have to make its width bigger, like this. But I don't like it. I like that one more. Yeah, that's it. You can change your scroll bar. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make comments below. Thank you.